All right, so I was man enough to admit that I was not expecting Bitcoin to come this high to $64,000. But I want you to pay attention in this video, and I want you to know that I am still not bullish. I just admitted that I was wrong about Bitcoin having coming this high, okay? And this was my prediction, not prediction, that's what I was looking at for Bitcoin to get rejected, okay, around this price right here, okay. And you guys saw that we had this rejection, and I was expecting to close this monthly candle coming lower, and that would have been our bear market rally for now before having and have some correction. And also I am still expecting to go lower. Okay, you do not have to believe, and you do not have to, none of these are financial advice. This is just my opinion. Do your own research. But we've got to a point that we had this resistance around $65,000, which you guys saw that we had this rejection so far. Okay, so as I said, we just completed our wave 5, and this is our wave 5 here. So this is the wave 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, so we're just gonna, I'm not expecting to go sharp back down. We might just go sideways, but this is end of it to me. Okay, we've got too far. All right, I want you guys to take a look at this, and please just look at it without being biased. Okay, last time in our bear market rally, we started rejecting from this yellow level. Okay, there's of course no guarantee in these kind of TAs, but we are just looking at charts and the history to see what we can take for this new rally that we're gonna have, this new bull market that we're gonna have, or if we are going back to bear market. And so you guys see that the price is almost around here, and if you look at it, it is almost around back to this yellow level. All right, so with the price is almost hitting this yellow level again. Okay, so we might even just hit $69,000 to almost our all-time high, even pass it, so that would get into the yellow level. And so you guys saw that how we got rejected. It does not have to do it again, because last time we just you just kept going up, but you guys see that every time we get touch this yellow level, we have corrections. And if we actually get the percentage of them, which I'm going to show you guys in here, these corrections, these are the same level I just showed you. If you guys want to take a look at how much we went down, was 37%. Okay, so 37% of where we are right now, if we go down, that would be from, let's say, from 45,000, 64,000. If you go 37%, we're going to go back to the same level, back down to our wave 4. Actually, wave 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, almost around this area. So we will be almost $40,000. Okay, so, and you guys see that we did not hold the support around this line that I was showing you guys. So if we get to this level, I am almost positive. I am positive that we're not going to get passed through. None of these are financial advice, just reminding you, because every time we have the pullback back to the same area, we get rejection. Okay, so we get support. And you guys see that every time. Even let's just look at this as an example. So we went up, we went back lower, we went all the way back to the same level, and it started going back up. So usually, as I said, when we have base rally, end of the base, the lowest point of the base is very, very important and very hard to break. So we could still just pump higher. And as I said, this rally is dangerous, and this is not, doesn't make sense. We have not even done any correction, although we have seen corrections on the way. Let's just say that this rally that we have is very similar to this, rather than the last bear market rally we had. But still, if we want to consider these two pullbacks, as I said, 38% here, and another one that we would be inside the yellow, that will be another 39%. Okay, so you guys should know that a lot of coins could crash very hard. So if you're holding altcoins, especially, this could be very dangerous for altcoins, or even for Bitcoin. So you can lose 39% of your money. Okay. You can do whatever you want. As I said, I admitted that I was expecting that not go over $54,000, $53,000, but we went higher. But I am still saying that I'm still bearish. I'm not becoming bullish. I will become bullish if we pass all-time high and stay almost a month. This is my this is the new thing that I'm telling you, because none of these are making sense. As I said, we are almost going to get into a recession, and March is usually red for Bitcoin. So most of the time you can just look at the charts, and March is not a good month for Bitcoin. Okay, so I am expecting to have a correction. How much lower we can go for March, I do not know. And we're gonna close the monthly candle tomorrow. So we're gonna open another monthly candle, which would be, make it bigger. So even if we go all the way up to the all-time high, even past it, I am still expecting to go back down. Okay, we have not had any correction yet, and this is not healthy. So this FOMO is just brainwashing everybody just because ETF is around. Okay, ETF is good, as I said, but it's not really. I cannot just FOMO in, because we have seen a lot of crashes on the way, and I'm not going to do that with my money. Okay, so this is just another short one. As I said, we could have more pumps, and you could pump the altcoins tomorrow, because we had this pump. But you guys can see that we had this crash for Bitcoin in the several hours ago or yesterday. We had a really sharp going down. Let me show you. It's hard to find it sometimes. Okay, from here we went down. Oh, again, we went from here to here, 8%, guys. $5,000 drop. How do you guys think that this is not possible just for a bigger drop? How do you guys see that? Okay, we are still going up. We might just keep going up to even 66, 67, even $69,000. But I am saying eventually our next level to watch for Bitcoin is around $65,000, which I showed you. This is the level that we had our first rejection. It was huge, and after we went all the way down to almost 30s, almost half, it was 50% drop, we went back up. So then each of these shadows that we have, each of these tops could be huge resistance for Bitcoins. Another one would be 66,700 ish, and the last one, which is our all-time high, is around $69,000. So you guys need to watch these three lines. So far you see that the first level is rejecting Bitcoin, but so we're gonna start a new month tomorrow. Tomorrow evening. So one more day to go, and you guys need to watch that. So we could get rejected hard, and we could see something like this back down. Okay, at least I am expecting to go back to around 40s, and that would give us that would lose almost $20,000 for Bitcoin, and $20,000 is a huge number for a lot of us. Okay, so this is just my expectation. As I said, I'm still bearish, but this huge candle we saw, it wrecked a lot of bears. Of course, they're not going to do the obvious thing, but I am still expecting after bears getting wrecked, it's going to be turn for bulls, and I do not want this, but this is how it is. This is the game of money, as I said before. Okay, so be careful with your trades. As I said, this is just going too high too fast, and I do not think that we're gonna just break this level. And every time you guys see that, we are closing our all-time high. We are going all-time high right here. So last time we did not touch the highest point, and we even closed our all-time high even around the orange part. So I would not be surprised if we just get stopped around this yellow level this time and start going back down. Okay, so this is another video. If you appreciate this kind of content, like and subscribe, comment down below your opinion. I really appreciate it, and I will be back. Peace.